Hello everyone, welcome to Dom's World TV, the cooking and math tutorial channel. Stay tuned for the exciting video.
Hello guys, here is the quadratic equation to be solved. We have x squared minus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, solution. Go ahead and rewrite the given equation. This equation will be written to this form: ax squared plus bx is equal to c. Where the ax squared is the x squared, bx is the negative 8x, and negative 10 is the constant c. Now, this will be written as x squared minus 8x is equal to 10. Then we have to add the 1/2 of the second term, which is negative 8x, by this formula b over 2 squared, where b is 8 over 2 squared is equal to 8 over 2 is 4 squared is equal to 16. The 16 will be added to both sides. Then let's simplify. The next is equate this expression to 0. Then simplify. So we've been equated to 0. Now we're gonna use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. This is the quadratic formula: x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we're going to locate the values of a, b, and c, where a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x squared, b is equal to negative 8, and c is equal to negative 10. Go ahead and plug in the values of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. Then simplify till we get the value of x. So the square root of 104 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 26. Now in this form, the 8 and 2 is divisible by 2. So we divide it 2 to reduce it into lowest term. Now the value of x is equal to 4 plus minus the square root of 26 or x sub 1 is equal to 4 plus the square root of 26, and x sub 2 is equal to 4 minus square root of 26. This will be the final answer. To check if the values of x will satisfy the given equation, go ahead and plug in the value of x to the given equation. Now let's simplify. As you see the result, both sides are equal to 0. This means that x is equal to 4 plus the square root of 26 is one of the solution of the given equation. Now, let's evaluate the x sub 2, which is 4 minus square root of 26. Using the original equation, go ahead and plug in the value of x sub 2 is equal to 4 minus square root of 26. Then simplify. Obviously, both sides are equal. So x sub 2 is equal to 4 minus square root of 26 is also the solution of the given equation. Therefore, the roots of x squared minus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. Are 4 plus square root of 26 and 4 minus square root of 26.
Hope you liked, learned and enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, also like, share and hit the bell to receive the latest and hottest math video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.